video, we'll take a detailed look at the Subtool Master. This integrated plugin significantly simplifies working with subtools. We can easily find it in the plugin menu section. Here, we have features similar to those in the Subtool palette, but with a few added functional enhancements. For example, here we can quickly export all subtools with a single click. Additionally, we can easily execute a multi-append, a multiple import, with just a single button press. Additional benefits come with the color assignment. With just a single click, we can effortlessly fill all subtool objects with the desired color. This can be especially useful for projects with many subtools. And it also offers the possibility to delete all the subtools that have been set to invisible all at once. Furthermore, we can easily access the option to quickly toggle the visibility of subtools with just a click. That means all our subtools that are set to invisible can be easily made visible with the press of a single button, and any visible items can be easily hidden just as quickly. With a press of the Do Visible button, we instantly unlock access to additional options. Here, we can further edit all the visible subtools by using a variety of additional features. The settings we explored in the previous video with the standard Subtool palette are also conveniently and readily available here. Examples include merging the subtools, or assigning the lowest or highest polygon resolution to all of the subtools with just a single click. In the next video, we'll explore the transpose tools.